जुबानी सुनो मुझे प्यार कहानी सुनो जुबानी सुनो.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am telling you about how to make HDR effects with blur and white effects. Now let's start to our video. First of all, we need to select video from US1 and we need to add graph design colors. You need to just select ups and down.
Now you do first of all select white color and you need to up and down. Yes, that's it. And now select green, down and up. Now color is blue, up and down. That's it. We will back to home and check it. That's look amazing. Now you need to click on training colors. Select color is a color. Click on it and add it in video. You can check. Now you need to convert the video and export it. If you are new on my channel, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Just wait it and video is completely. Now it's going to final. Now it's done. Back to home. Now we select a new video without editing it and we select it. Now click on it overlay and we select a video color effect. Now you need to click on blend and first of all we check it. It's looking good, amazing, but no, it's not looking good, so we back and we are going to it overlay. Yes, it looks amazing. Now we back to home and screen we need to delete it. Back to home and watch it. Looks amazing video. Now we are going to overlay screen and we select the stock figures. Click on white background. Click on in white color. Set it full screen. And we need to overlay. We need to burn. Yes, okay. Now it looks fine. Look, check it. That's awesome. Our video is done. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, comment and share on my video if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.